Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing for you all, and this is going to be an accessorizing video for your TATA Tiago. This is the tail light which I had purchased. This is actually the tail light as well as the brake light, and I just want to upgrade the bulbs to LED so they could change the look of the car. And the other bulbs that I have are the T15. These are the reverse light in your TATA Tiago. And the main reason I bought this is because I wanted the lights to be a bit brighter. So that's the reason I bought it. So I'll show you to you guys how you could fix it. So at the back you actually have these two rubber caps or plastic caps. So you just need to pop that out, and you should be able to get access to the nut. So you could twist the nut out with a spanner or a wrench, and you should be able to remove the taillight section out without a problem. So I'll show you to you guys how it looks like. So once you remove the nuts, just pull the taillight section out and you would have access to all the bulbs. The bottom left side would be the actual tail light, the main tail light, which has the brake light integrated on it. So just twist it and remove it out. I've already fixed that bulb, so I'm just showing out to you guys how you could fix it. Now if you look at our TATA Tiago, guys, there are two bulbs for the tail light section. So one is the main bulb that's on the top, and at the bottom you have a pilot light as well. So that's the T10. So you would also need to change that, and that's the indicator, and that's the reverse light. So when you change out the bulb, just make sure that you also change the smaller bulb. So it would be at the bottom. Just twist it and remove it. These are just T10, so I just found some LED bulbs around, so I used that bulb to upgrade it. And then on the top you would have access to this T15 bulb as well. So even that, you just have to twist it and it should come out without a problem. So that's the old incandescent bulb. Now while I was looking at the AliExpress website, I saw that these bulbs produce, a single bulb produces close to 700 lumens. So 700 lumens is quite bright, so that's the reason I bought it for the reverse light. Fix it and twist it, it should lock in place, and you should be able to feel a click. Okay, now let me just put this in, and I'll turn on the car and I'll show you to you guys. So I've already turned on the car. So these are the, when this light turns on when you turn on the headlight, and when you press the brake, that's how it's gonna look like. I know, guys, the bottom pilot light looks quite weird. It looks orangish because I have used the white T10. That's the reason why it shows up like orange, and I'm anyways gonna change that to red LED. I have already placed an order in AliExpress, so until I get it, I thought I'll just use the white LED on it. So to remove the cap, you just need to take a flathead screwdriver and just pop the cap out. It should come out without a problem. Just make sure that you don't actually break the clips. Now guys, I will suggest that you do it at home. Now you don't actually have to go to a mechanic or to the service center to change these bulbs. That's something that you could do it at home itself. Once you take out the caps, take a normal spanner, maybe a round cylindrical spanner which you generally use to remove spark plug, and make sure the size is 10. You could just put that in, and you could remove it. Now guys, I don't think this would void your warranty because you're not cutting any wires, you're just changing the bulbs. So I don't think it would be voiding any warranty. So if you are worried about voiding the warranty, I would suggest you not to do it. But nonetheless, I don't think the Tata service center would notice it because when you're just upgrading the bulbs to LED. So that's the bottom bulb that I was talking about. Another thing that you guys need to remember is that when you try removing the main brake light, you should make sure that this particular wire that you see is actually clipped at the bottom. So you can't twist it and remove it. So you just need to make sure that you first remove the wire out of the clip which is at the bottom. You see that, right? So you have to remove the wire out, and only then you would be able to remove this. You could twist it and remove the tail light section. So as soon as you remove it, you should be able to twist it and remove it out. So that's the incandescent bulb, the old bulb. And guys, I would leave a link in the description below, the type of the bulb that you should purchase and the link from where you could purchase, because there are many versions of P21 bulb. So ours, mostly in Indian cars, you actually have a 2-point P21 bulb, which is a 21 watt bulb for the brake light and 5 watts for the normal whenever you turn on your headlight, that bulb. So you got to make sure that you buy the right type. So that's the T10 bulb, the smaller bulb. So just pop it out and take a T10 bulb and just put that in. And you got to make sure that before you fix your tail light, guys, just make sure that the bulbs turn on, because there's a polarity for these LED bulb. You got to make sure that you have fixed the bulb correctly. If not, it might not turn on. So overall, guys, I'm pretty satisfied with these bulbs because it changes the look of the car a bit. So just put the tail light section back again. Those screws would come out. You just need to take a nut and tighten them out. I think it's all done thereafter. So I'll turn on this light as well and I'll show it to you guys. So as I had mentioned, guys, the bottom bulb, the pilot bulb, is not turning on because the polarity has changed. So I need to switch the bulb again. So I'll come down and I'll switch the bulb now. So when you order the bulbs, guys, for the T10, just make sure that you order the red version of it, because the white tends to show up as amber when it flows out of the red reflectors. So make sure that you buy the red version. So this is the white bulb that I was talking about. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you like my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions or comments, do leave those at the bottom of the video. I'll leave all the links in the description below, and also the type of the bulb and the version that you should buy. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and stay subscribed to my channel. Thank you.